Good morning, dear crafters. How are you all doing? I'm sure you're wondering what is all this about. Well, I was like, since I'm going to talk about money, let me dress like, or when you watch Nigerian movies and you have a cash madam there, you must wear something, it's how high your gele is that tells your stuff. And I don't do geles, I don't do ashokes. Do I do ashokes? Okay, yeah. Hair bands anyway with ashoke. I don't do all those whatever. So this was the one that came close to it. I hope I did a good job. Okay, so did I say good morning depending on where you are? Good day, crafters. I hope you are all doing great. So today it's money business. Yeah. I have two videos already up on various other means of income, making money. Okay, and one was on creating your own YouTube channel, and the second one is on recycling. Okay, items that you don't use again that cannot be given to anyone. Um, like anyway, I'll pin a comment and also put the link in the description of this video so that you can get to watch those as well. But today we're going to be dealing on, can you guess? It's a big one. We're going to be dealing on stocks. Yes, Nigerian stocks to be precise. Our foreigners, my apologies, but don't worry, I'll get back to you because I also invest in other stocks aside Nigerian stocks. But today, because kind of this is the major one that I do, I invest in Nigerian stocks. And you might be wondering, how much are you making from your craft? Just in case you're just starting, that's how much can you use to invest, my dears. You can invest with as low as 100 naira. That's less than $1 for our foreigners who are listening to this video. You can invest with as low as 100 naira. So I would advise that what you do, just in case you don't even want to do 100 naira, what I do actually is, as I make my profits, not every time because sometimes you might want to use cash for every other thing, but a good policy is any amount you make, your profit, you divide it. You have like between 8 to 20% that you save up for investment, because this investment can yield more funds for you to be able to grow your business and for you to be able to do other things. Okay, so sometimes I follow the principle, sometimes all right, I don't, but I try to as much as possible to do that. I use 20% of the profits, I push it over to investment. So I invest in various things, and I'm sharing one of them with you, and that's Nigerian stocks. Okay, and what I do, the app that I use is Afrinvest. I'm going to uninstall my Afrinvest so that you can see how to install it. So where is Afrinvest? Okay, so here it is. That's the icon. Okay, so all right, let me go and uninstall. So I click uninstall. Okay, so that will start from scratch to install it. Okay, so this is what you do. You go to your Play Store. Play Store, where are you? Play Store. Okay, here is my Play Store. And can you use this? No, thanks. Okay, so we're going to type Afrinvest. Afrinvest. Yeah, it's Afrinvest 2.0, and here it is. So you click install. Can you see Afrinvest 2.0? Let me make it the first thing. So that's the first one, so you can see it. So I don't have to do too much editing by circling. But the first one on top, that's your Afrinvest 2.0. So I click on install. Okay, it's taking its time. It's just 34.62 MB, so it's not huge. But if you do not have space, please uninstall anything that is not profitable for you on your device and install Afrinvest 2.0. You will thank me later. All right, so it's installing right now. Then you click on open. Okay, so it's checking for updates. It always does this when you open it. It updates regularly, which shows that they always what do you call it, they always update and they're up to date, so to speak. All right, so let's just go through the getting started. I already know it, but let's go to the getting started. So it says the simpler way to invest: initiate and execute trades, view portfolio, performance, and assess in-depth equity research. Let's click on get started. Okay. Initiate and execute trades, view portfolio performance, and assess in-depth equity research. I'm clicking get started for it to move the other way, but you can equally slide. Okay. So it says start now, earn more, looking to get a head start in the journey to financial freedom. Pop on to earn more. Then I click get started. All right, so here is where you're going to click put your sign up. Of course, I already have mine, so I'm going to be clicking sign in. But this is what you do. It says get started with Afrinvest. Sign up to discover investment opportunities and grow your wealth. Yes, actually, because they have the equity, they have the stocks, they have treasury, they have bonds, different things in there. But I majorly for now, for Afrinvest, I do mainly stocks for now. So don't quote me in 2 years, 3 years time and say that, you say it's only no, because I might just decide to start doing other things here. But for now, it's just stocks. So you click the check box. Can you see the first box up? You click it because you have to click it to say you agree to terms of services. I don't know why we read it. We don't read the terms and services, but they're always very long. So if you want, you can go through it and read. Then you put in your email, put your phone number, your date of birth, and password. Now, password, see what must be there. It has to have 8 characters. One has to be uppercase, that's capital letter, and it has to have numbers, then it has to have symbol like @ underscore, whatever. Then you click on sign up. Okay. From there, if you have any issues, I'll be dropping the number of a contact person to direct you, but at least have shown you how to sign up, do the first thing, how to install and sign up. So I'm going to be signing in and I'll be clicking you off. Take it. So let's get back. So now that you have your Afrinvest 2.0, okay, there are actually 3 accounts you can open up with Afrinvest 2.0, and that's you can open up a pop account, a groove account, or a classic account. I'm using the classic account. I don't really know the difference between the accounts per se. I know that the account difference determines the documents that you would provide, because there's some documents you would have to provide, but I don't know what exactly makes them different, because I actually started when they were just using just on their website before they created their app and their app came up. So I don't really know much, but I know the app is lovely. I'm grooving the app very much. Okay, before we get into more, you're going to hear so much more, but before we get into that, let me show you some of the things you would see in the app. Okay, so let me show you what's in there when you enter. Okay, so you have your portfolio value. That's where you see it. Till you click on it, it won't show you the amount. So, all right, then you have fund wallets. I normally use transfer. That's what I do for mine. When I click, I go to the option of transfer. So it gives me an account. Then I use my account, do the transfer to that particular account and click that I have done it. So that's how I send money to my stock, to the account, and then I purchase. So you can see it has stocks. Can you see where I'm scrolling? Just after continue your investment journey, keep track of your favorite companies, start with these popular stocks, or create a list of your own. So you have stocks, commercial papers, treasury bills. Okay, I think there are more. There are more. Or is that? Okay, let's keep going. And then you see how they give you so much. First, you have your investment education where you can tap and it takes you online so you can start learning. Okay, but we're not going through all this. Let's get out of here. You can do that yourself. Okay, so you see, how can we help you? Then you have getting started with Afrinvest videos, investment in stocks, investment in treasury, investment in commercial paper. Yes, I knew there were more. Investment in FG bonds, investment in FG saving bonds, facts on AfriTrack, grocery, estate planning, wills and trust, how to buy and sell Nigerian stock with Afrinvest. So you can see they have a lot in it. It's not just one article, 1135. So you can study by yourself. Okay. Then That's when you click on the tap to learn. You have here, they put the people, you can see, if you click gainers by percentage, we can see ABPC. All these ones are the ones that have gained. You click gainers by value, you see they have gained by value. You have the losers by value, losers by percentage, and the most active stock. Then you have stocks. Now, this I created myself. These are stocks that I'm watching. Okay. So I watch them. That's how I know when it's time for me to buy. These are the stocks I'm watching. So you can see the stocks that I'm watching. Okay. These are the stocks that I've decided that I'm only going to invest in. I don't go beyond that. Then you have your portfolio. In your portfolio is where you see what you have invested in, the total amount you have. This is the amount I have in my wallet, the equity and bonds. That's how, because when you put money into the platform, it first of all goes to your wallet. Then you will now decide from your wallet what you want to invest in. Is it equity and bonds, T-bills and commercial papers, fixed? I told you that the only one I'm doing for now it's equity, as in stocks. Okay. So that's it. Then you have the investments. Okay, yeah, in the portfolio you can see watch list also. So these are my watch lists. So I watch them with the amount that they are. I know when I want to sell, when I want to gain. Ouch! Now I've just seen one. Nestle I sold at 1,215. Can you imagine if I waited? But don't cry. I've come to know that don't say you would wait when you have your marking, because you might wait the next day when you want to buy. You can. There was a time I wanted to sell in Nestle. They were not selling, they were not buying. So set your targets. Do you understand? When you have when it's laid on your spirit that you should sell, you sell. But it calls for crying out. I've made much more money. Oh, can you imagine? Anyway, ouch. Okay, let's leave that. Okay, then we go to invest to see that the things that you can invest in. The Afri is not available, but you have commercial for now. You have commercial papers, treasury bill, and Nigeria stocks. Then this is where you see what's in your wallets, and then more. So you can click on this. All that history will show you all the orders you have placed, your transactions. You can get your help and support here and much more. So that's it. So that's how this app is. Okay. So let's stop this video. Let's move on to other things. Sorry. Okay, yes, then also I have my account officers for Afrinvest. I'll be dropping their links in the comment. I'll be dropping their contact details in the comments and in the description, so you could contact them if you have any issues. To me, I really do love Afrinvest. I've been gaining from it. I haven't had any issues with them at all, and it's been kind of fun trading on the platform. I enjoy the whole experience, looking at the stocks, seeing, because when you click a stock, you would actually see um, the orders that have come in, people, the amount that people are placing to buy, amount that people are placing to sell. So with that you can determine the amount you want to buy, the amount you want to sell. You can even place an order, limit it, and decide and say that, okay, let's say a particular stock, let's say GT is going for 40,000 naira. You can place that you want to buy it for 35. Sorry, let's assume that GT is going for 35 naira. It's not right now. It's I think 68 or thereabouts. Okay, let's just say 40. Okay, it's going for 40 naira per unit, and you want to get it for 35 per unit. You can actually place an order, limit it, tell it okay for 60 days, that it should keep on checking. Whenever it happens, it will buy the stock for you. Although the least I do, I think the least I've done is 1 week, but most times I just do 1 day. If it doesn't go that day, let it wait for whenever, so that I'll be checking to know, because it might go below that value. That's for me, but of course you can get your own way of how you want to be trading. Okay, like for me also, what I did was that I did some investigations and decided on some particular stocks that I'm going to be trading on. I'm sure you saw it. If you've not seen it, you will see that very soon. I'm open. So those are the stocks that I said I'm only going to be purchasing, whether buying for long term or buying to sell. So I won't go out of those ones. A friend of mine once told me that when you buy stocks, ensure that the stocks you buy is what you see, what you hear, what you use. Do not buy stocks that are not well known, because you cannot tell how they will do. So that's my own personal advice to you. Buy stocks you see, you use, and that you hear about. And with that, I would like to say thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. Do take care and remain blessed.